Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make this miniature wall clock. For this project, you're gonna need a cutout. You can find this cutout from my website and a bottom. You also need transparent tape, glue. You can also use a hot glue. Now we're gonna put a transparent tape on top of the picture and cut it out. After you cut them all out, now we're gonna paint the bottom. You can paint it in any color you like. Because the bottom is hard to hold it while you paint, so I'm gonna use a Q-tip and use hot glue to glue on the bottom and then start painting. That way it makes it much easier. And after you're done, just let it dry. For the lazy A, you only need to paint half of the circle in yellow. Now while we're waiting for paint to dry, we can use glue and glue our template onto the bottom. And now our clock is done. You can also use hot glue. I found that hot glue is much easier to glue on. Now for the lazy egg, I'm gonna use air dry clay to make its eggshell. First, I cut a circle in half and then I'm gonna trim the edge in zigzag pattern. That way it looks like a broken eggshell. And after you're happy with it, we're just gonna attach this to the clock. Now we're gonna use the bottom part of the eggshell. This end I'm gonna use air dry clay and then just slowly attach to the edge of it and trim off both ends. Now all of our clock is done, so I hope you enjoy these videos. Make a comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. If you're new to my channel, I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and if you are going to create any DIY from my channel, I would like to see them. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next videos. Bye!